What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Hard Park 703 channel. We got a car show to go to. This time I'm actually not late. Woke up extra early. Everything's good to go. It's at Tyson's Corner. It's a Capital Auto Club car show. So we've been to a couple of them. I say we because you guys have seen the videos. It's on a parking deck again. It's probably going to be epic. I'm excited. I'm going to stop talking because we got to get there. I'll show you guys as soon as we get there. All right. I made it here in time. Find some good parking. Obviously, the whole thing is completely empty right now because I'm like an hour early. But you can already see things are starting to fill up around the edges. I'm going to take a closer look so you guys can see all the cars and everything. But this is going to be insane. Just wait. Give it like another 40 minutes and this place is going to be... Oof. Look at that. Wow. Check this thing out. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at the craftsmanship. This is insane. This is a spaceship. This is a spaceship. That's all I know. Look at that. Man. Can we see inside? Ah, too much glare. But look at that. Look at this one. This is insane. This is the craziest car I've ever seen. Wow. Look at the interior. Oh man. Oh my gosh. I love me some Porsches, you know that. Look at this bad boy. Oh my gosh. You can hear that thing. Oh man, that sounds so good. Look at that. Look at that. That thing definitely probably moves. I don't know why I said probably. I am almost certain it does. Wow. My boy Isaac, gotta show him some love always. Check out this thing. Man, that's on the ground. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I love these two cars. Oh my gosh. I can't ever get enough of them. Look at that. Oh, so sexy. I love this one. Check this car out. Check this thing out. This thing is sexy. Look at that. What's up, man? How are you? How you doing, brother? Look at that. Oh my goodness. So clean, so clean. Look at that. Look at that. That looks gorgeous. Wow. Check out the back. Oh, that is so sexy. Look at that. Nice. So this is the new one, huh? Actually, it looks really good in person. The wheels are so sexy. Look at that. Let's see if we can see the inside. Ooh, sexy. I like it. See the back. Nice, I like it. Looks really good. Look at this thing. Man, this RX-7 is crazy. Look at those seats. Man, that is crazy. Wow. Look at the rear. Man. Definitely starting to fill up. About show time right now, 11 a.m. Still plenty more to come through. You can still hear them down there. Look at that rear. Man. Look at that beautiful color right there. Man. Look at that. Man. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. Man. Wow. Look at this one. Whew. Look at that thing. Man. Beautiful. Wow. Man, look at that. Man. Look at that. That is crazy.
You know, like the little side thing.
Wow. Check this one out. Wow. Looks pretty dope. Look at this. This is insane. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh man. Wow. Let's go to the back. Look at that. Look at that. That's awesome. That is crazy. Look at that. Wow. Look at this one. That looks really good. That is some pretty aggressive fitment. Look at that. Looks so good though. The brakes are insane too. Massive. And he probably tracks it because look at the front lip. Poor thing. Oh, look at that thing. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, looks so good. Check this bad boy out. Look at that. Kita is here. Brought his bad boy. Look at that thing. I'm gonna pass out from the fuel smell. Look at that bad boy. Look at that. Oof, look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that.
What's good, guys? Hey, hey.
Nice.
Long time no see.
Look at that.
You want to go inside?
Look at this Aston Martin. Wow. Alright, now it finally filled up. Plenty of supercars. This is just one side of the lot. And then you've got the entire other side over there. Look at that. Man, look at this bad boy. Wow. Love it. Look at that lip. Man, these things are clean. Look at this bad boy. Dude, that's awesome. I just realized the Deadpool mask. Dope. Yo, check out these brakes. Those are probably the sexiest green I've ever seen. I'm not even kidding. Like, this video doesn't even do it justice. Wow. Wow. Look at that.
Sorry about that, bro.
You're all good, no worries. Oof. It's such a beautiful interior. Oh man, that is gorgeous. Look at that, man. Wow. That's pretty awesome. Look at this thing. Man. Wow.
Good, how are you?
Look at this interior. Oh man. Oh my goodness.
Oh shit, oh brother. You can drive it down there, dude. No, I got the
Wow.
Yeah, it's right. It's over there. I know your dad too well. Like him too.
Look at the brakes.
Yeah, I actually didn't see it like that. That's
Man.
Yeah.
Check that out. Man, this thing is awesome. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh man. That looks awesome. Look at that. Look at this one. Wow. Wow. Look at that interior. Man. Look at that. That looks really, really good.
They say some up.
I love Vipers. Wow.
I don't know if I fit that. I think you would fit.
Wow. There we go. Check that out. Wow. Look at that.
Whoa.
Look at this one. Wow.
But look, you have
Look at this wide body. Oof, beautiful. Ooh, that's awesome. Look at that. Man. Check that out. Wow. All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for me. I'm dehydrated, I'm hungry, I'm sweaty. We saw everything. This place was just absolutely packed at the end. Like, you guys have no idea. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm gonna get going. Probably catch up with you guys back when I get home. All right, just got back home. Need water. I took the long route home. I didn't want to race anybody. Like, so many cars exited onto the main highway and they were just ripping it. It's fine, that's great. There was a lot of traffic. And then, not to mention, I just don't want to be involved in any of that type of stuff, you know. I like cruising around. If I'm gonna rip it, I'm gonna rip it on my own, not usually because somebody instigated, you know. But yeah, so if you guys like the video, go ahead and click that like button, hit subscribe. The video, oh my god, this is probably gonna be, hopefully this is my best like car show video. I got so much footage. And next video I'll probably show you guys what the car's up to. So much is going on there. All right, stay tuned. See ya.